Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to open a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. First of all, open any browser. Then open GitHub and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, click on Repositories. Select any project, and click on it. Once it's open, you will see all the files of this project. We will open this project in Visual Studio Code. To do this, click on Code, then click on Download Zip. The file will start downloading. Once it's done, open the file in the folder. Copy the file from here and save it in any folder. After that, click on the file and then click on Extract here. It starts extracting. Once it's fully extracted, click on the file. Now you can see all the assets of this file are available. Close all windows and then open Visual Studio Code. Click on the File tab. Then click on Open Folder. And select the folder from your PC. After that, click on any HTML file of this project. Now you can see the code of the HTML project. And these are all the assets that have been imported into Visual Studio Code. Go to the HTML section, right-click on it, and then go below. Here is an option to open with Live Server. First, we have to enable that. It is enabled on my laptop, but I will show you how to enable this button. For this, click on the Extensions tab. Then go to the search bar and type Live Server. Click on it and download this extension before opening the GitHub project. This is specifically for HTML and CSS projects with the Live Server. The name of the extension is Live Server by Ritwik Day. And if you want to write JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code, then go back to the search bar of the Extensions tab. Type JavaScript. And then open the extension for JavaScript and TypeScript nightly. To open it in a live server, follow these steps. After that, if you want to open the Python code of a GitHub project, search for the extension and type Python. This extension is from Microsoft to write Python code or open it in a live server. After that, go back to your GitHub project. Then open an HTML file. Right-click on it, and click on Open with Live Server. It will open in any browser on your laptop. Now you can see this project has been opened in the browser. That's all the way to open a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.